What's the meaning of acculturation? Acculturation. 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 Acculturation is the process of cultural and psychological change that takes place as a result of contact between two or more cultural groups and their individual members. It can be a complex and challenging process, but it can also be a rewarding one. The result of acculturation can be a new, blended culture that combines elements of both the original cultures. This can lead to a more tolerant and understanding society, as people from different cultures learn to appreciate and respect each other's differences. Here are some of the possible results of acculturation. Changes in language, food, clothing, and other cultural practices. Changes in values, beliefs, and attitudes. Increased understanding and tolerance of other cultures. Reduced prejudice and discrimination. Increased social cohesion and harmony. Acculturation is a dynamic process that is constantly evolving. The results of acculturation can vary depending on the specific cultures involved, the context in which acculturation takes place, and the individual experiences of those who are acculturating.